Hello. Can we have your name, please?
I am Namrita. I am an architect and partner at Cohort X Designs.
Right. Ma'am, is this your first time visiting Balaji Wall Textures?
I have been associated with Balaji Wall Textures for about 1.5 to 2 years now.
Right.
And it's very nice to see walk into this space and be a part of how how Balaji Wall Texture has grown to into this space.
Right. What was the first feeling that probably this space instigates in you right through when you walk through it?
So I think because the product is about the wall texture, how it feels, how it is to the touch and everything. So it's nice that you're able to see the product up close and walk into and visualize it. So because we are architects, we want to look at the product in spaces like this.
Right.
So on walls, on flooring like that, and its application. So as an architect, this is definitely a true experience center.
Right. What do you think is the uniqueness of Balaji textures that you don't see outside in the market?
I think the product in itself is very flexible and it has proved itself over time. And I think their service is definitely something very unique, very approachable, easily customizable for us, and always up for trying something different and new. And that's the kind of collaboration we look at as architects.
Right. You said the product is unique and flexible, right? Could you please dwell in a little more on it from your perspective so that it's easier for people to understand?
So because of its way of application, it is smaller grit and granules, and as architects we love to experiment with different shapes.
Right.
So when you use materials which are more rigid like stone or concrete as in if there is precast concrete or something that's more rigid, certain shapes become restrictive, even cost-wise. But this gives us the scope to sort of expand our creativity into shapes and forms. It could be in flooring, and it could be in furniture, etc. So we could try more what we technically call them organic shapes, more curved and curved forms and shapes.
Right. Having an experience center where you could probably feel the textures that you want to implement into probably your commercial or residential space, do you think that's more convenient for consumers to maneuver through their options?
Yeah, definitely. That's there. Because this is a material which is hard to visualize if we don't see it in scale. Right. So I think we used to receive samples on tablets before. So, but how you experience it once it's applied is very different.
Right. What would you say is the USP of Balaji textures?
I think it's their service.
Right.
Their flexibility with customization of what we want. It could be in terms of colors, and it could be in terms of where it can be applied and how. Yeah, and that is definitely and of course the variety of options they have available in terms of their products.
Right. How would you rate your overall experience at the center today, ma'am?
Today, I think definitely 10 on 10. I have seen how this enterprise has grown, especially in Bangalore, and it makes me extremely happy to have witnessed that journey.
So can we see you incorporate a lot of these pieces into your future projects?
Definitely. I think we're already in the process of doing that. There's a lot of work we're already doing with Balaji Wall Textures, and there's a lot more coming our way.
Anything you'd want to tell to Narendra sir or family on their new launch of their venture?
I think one thing I would definitely tell him that we will be associated with him for a very long time, and definitely would love to see them expand their product range further and keep us in loop with what's new that they might be able to bring for us.
Thank you. It was lovely having you over with you.